I'm Peggy Semmens. I'm the coordinator for the cooking program at Delnor Hospital. We started our cooking classes in June in 2018, and at this point we've hosted over 200 cooking classes for adults, children, and children with special needs. Today we are starting our first video program due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So we're hoping that you are excited for what you will see. This is our first class. Please watch for the calendar coming out. This will come to your home probably in September, and hopefully we'll be able to host you in our programs. Hope you enjoy. I'd like to introduce our dietitian today, and Sara, come on over.
Hi, welcome. My name is Sara Scharaga. I'm a registered dietitian here at Northwestern Medicine, Delnor Hospital, and I also work over at Delnor Cancer Center. So today I'm going to be showing you a recipe. It's a salmon couscous salad. Here at Northwestern Medicine, we promote a Mediterranean style diet, which is more of a plant-based diet, incorporating lots of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and trying to reduce the amount of meat and red meat and incorporating more fish into your diet. So today, let's get started. Today, first what we're going to do is I have some mushrooms here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute a few mushrooms in the pan. So we're just going to slice these mushrooms up, and then we're going to toss them in the pan, and then we're going to saute them a little bit. Let's get this started. So here, as you can see, we have a pan. I sprayed a little bit of cooking spray, sliced a few mushrooms, and we're going to saute those. So as we're sauteing, I am going to take some fresh, we have about 3 cups of baby spinach right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this in the bowl right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to toss it with a little white wine vinaigrette dressing. And how I made this dressing today is I put a quarter cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinaigrette, and some salt and pepper in there. And then we just mix it up really good, put a few drizzles on this spinach here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly toss it just to cover it, cover the spinach lightly with the vinaigrette. Now I like to make my salad dressings at home, you can use any type of vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar, you can use white wine vinegar, you can use balsamic vinegar, and a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Sometimes what I like to do also is add a little bit of fresh garlic, or sometimes I like to add a little bit of Dijon mustard just to give it a little different flavor. So easy to make. You can just do a little portion of it, or you can do a larger amount and keep it in your refrigerator. Remember, the olive oil does harden up a little bit in the container, so you need to take it out and let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes before serving. But really easy to make dressing, so much less expensive, less sugar, less salt. Any processed ingredients are not found here. So making those at home are really important and a lot healthier than buying the store-bought. So here we're just going to finish tossing this a little bit. And then what I did here is I cooked a couscous here on the stove just with a little bit of oil or water, boiled the water, put the couscous in, cooked it up, and here we have the couscous. And then here we have about 2 ounces of goat cheese, just crumbled up really good in here. And then here we have the apricots. And what I really like about sliced apricots are they have a different texture. They give a little bit of sweetness, so you're having a lot of different flavors, as you can see in this salad. So what we're going to do is we just sliced them up really small, and we have those too for our salad. So after our mushrooms are all finished, what we're going to do is we're going to get some cooked salmon here. And what I did is you just flake it up really good with a fork, and then you can just come over here. And what we did is we put We layered the spinach first, that's dressed really good with the white wine vinaigrette. We sprinkled a little bit of couscous, the mushrooms, the cheese, and then finally the salmon on top. So this is our finished product. I hope that you enjoyed this demo and that you come back for more. Have a great day.